Assalamu alaikum and welcome to my channel. This is Nabila from Cooking with Nabila, and today I am collaborating with Chefstemp to bring you this nice high accuracy thermometer that can be used for your meats, your baking, and also you can even use it to figure out the temperature of your water when you're boiling an egg or poaching an egg. So today we'll open this and I'll show you how it looks, and I'll also show you how I have used it in the past few days. Um, and do I love it or not? I'll let you know at the end. Well, this thermometer has a high accuracy rate. It does 1 second reading. It has a rechargeable battery, and it is waterproof. Now let's open it up and see what it comes with. So here we have the thermometer. It comes with this cover, and here's the button to turn it on. Here, let's turn it on and check what the temperature shows. It's showing 72 degrees right now. And then right here on the top, there's a button that you can switch it to the Celsius. So now it's 22 degrees Celsius and 72 degrees Fahrenheit. And here's the cover that comes out. Okay, this is how it looks like after you take the cover off. And here we have this charging cable to charge. This is the Type-C cable that you charge it with. And it also comes with this great user manual that shows you how to use the thermometer and how to clean, how to troubleshoot it. So on the back of this manual, they show the minimum done temperatures for the food safety. So the inner temperatures of the food while you're cooking or baking or frying. And one more good thing about this is that it has the magnetic built in the back, so you can stick it to anything. Let's check it out. I'm going to use one of my knives and show you that the magnet actually works. So here I have a knife and I'm going to stick it. Here it goes. See, I can't actually, my knife is kind of heavy, so it's not able to pick it, but let me pick up my knife and I can show you how it actually sticks to the metal. See, right here. So here I have placed it outside to see the temperature outside, and it's showing about 69 degrees. Here I've shown you the current temperature for my location, about 70, so it's about accurate. See, so here you plug one end to this charging box, and the other side you plug it into your thermometer and you charge it. Now I have this water right here. It is freezing water, and we're going to check the temperature. So here it goes. Here in a second, it shows 32 degrees Fahrenheit, and I will now switch it to Celsius to show you. It should say 0. Let's see. Okay, yep, it says 0 Celsius. So this is very accurate. Here I have the boiling water. You can see the steam still coming out, and I'm going to check the temperature of that. And in seconds it gives this temperature. Here, let me just close it up and see what the temperature is. To turn the thermometer off, you can hold the power button for 2 seconds and it turns off. Now take the guesswork out. While cooking or frying or baking or grilling, make sure the inner temperature of the food is what it should be. So the inner temperature of the chicken should be around 165 Fahrenheit, and look at this, is 188. This thermometer is available from online. You can go to chefstemp.com and order this one, or some other options that you have. No, I love this thermometer, and you can get yours by going to chefstemp.com and order yours. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and come back to see more products and more videos with new recipes.